Apple MacBook Air M2 chip 30.6-inch Liquid Retina Display, the ultimate lightweight powerhouse. The Apple MacBook Air with M2 chip has taken the tech world by storm, redefining what a thin and light laptop can achieve. With an elegant redesign and enhanced performance and a stunning display, this laptop is a top considered for students, professionals, and creatives alike. Let's dive into the details and explore why this MacBook Air is one of the best laptops available today. Design and build. About this laptop, Apple has completely redesigned the MacBook Air in 2022, giving it a modern look inspired by the MacBook Pro lineup. The new design features flat edges, an ultra-thin 11.3 mm profile, and a weight of just 2.7 pounds, making it one of the most portable premium laptops on the market. The laptop is available in 4 stylish colors: Midnight, Starlight, Space Gray, and Silver. Performance powered by the M2 chip. The Apple M2 chip is the heart of 2022 MacBook Air, delivering exceptional speed and efficiency. Built on a 5nm architecture, the M2 chip offers 8 crore CPU performance for a basic crores for seamless multitasking, 8 crore O10 GPU for enhanced graphic performance, 60 crore neural engine for machine learning tasks and AI-driven applications, up to 24 GB and unified memory for smooth performance even with demanding applications. This level of performance makes the MacBook Air capable of handling everything from everyday tasks to photo editing, video rendering, coding, and more. Liquid Retina Display, a visual delight. The 30.6-inch Liquid Retina Display is the one of the standout features of the 2022 MacBook Air. Resolution for razor sharp text and visual is 500 nits of brightness, marking it the one of the brightest MacBook Air of 2022. P3 World Color Generator and True Tone technology for vibrant color. Whether you are watching movie, editing photo, or working on presentation, this display delivers an immersive experience. Battery life and charging all day productivity. Apple continues to lead in battery efficiency with the M2 MacBook Air offering up to 18 hours of battery life on the single charge. Thanks to its power-efficient design, you can go an entire work day on binge watch your favorite series without worrying about running out of the power. For charging, Apple has reintroduced MagSafe 3, allowing for safe and quick magnetic charge while keeping the USB-C ports free for other accessories. The MacBook Air comes with a 30-watt or 35 adapter depending on the configuration, and it supports fast charging up to 67 watts in just 30 minutes to charge 50%. Keyboard, trackpad, and speakers. The Magic Keyboard provides a comfortable and quick typing experience with a well-spaced keys and Touch ID for secure logins. The Force Touch track remains one of the best in the industry, offering precise control with haptic feedback. 4-speaker sound system with spatial audio and Dolby Atmos support delivers an immersive audio experience, connectivity, and ports. The 2022 MacBook Air offers a solid selection of ports including MagSafe 3 for fast and secure charging, Thunderbolt 4 upon USB-C ports for high-speed data transfer, and external displays 3.5mm headphone jack with high impedance support for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.4 ultra-wide fast wireless connectivity. Who should buy the 2022 MacBook Air? This laptop is perfect for students looking for lightweight yet powerful machine for studying, research and entertainment. Professionals who need a reliable laptop for work, presentation and video conferencing. Creative users who require a high quality display for photo editing, video production and content creation. Final verdict: is it worth it? The Apple 2022 Mac Air is an exceptional device that blends power, portability and premium build quality. Whether you are upgrading from an older MacBook or switching from Windows, this laptop offers a future-proof investment that will secure you well for secure to come. If you are looking for lightweight, ultra-fast and visual stunning laptop, the MacBook Air M2 should be at the top of your list. Where to buy? You can purchase the Apple MacBook Air with M2 chip from Apple Store. Link and Amazon link in description.